Sisters, how y'all feel? Brothers, y'all all right? I pray to God my kings and queens is doing very well in the name of Jesus. As always, for those who not doing well, I just pray that God heal you, give you a speedy recovery, whatever you got going on. I pray that God make you as comfortable as possible in the name of Jesus. As always, y'all know I got to thank my A1s from day ones, my new subscribers, and those who will subscribe in their due times. And I definitely thank the viewers. I thank y'all so much. Continue to hit like, share, definitely subscribe, and definitely leave a comment. But with this being said, everybody, I'm going to talk about Lae Lae last video when she opened up about her in LA doing some things that children should not be doing at an early age. I heard some Atrice live, and I heard all of Lady Live, because when I tuned in with LA, she was already live, so I didn't get a chance to see her beginning. But after I get from work, I'm going in just for a couple of hours. After I get from work, I'm definitely going to look at LA whole live and see what's up. Guys, let me tell you something. It's a reason for what I did, and I'm just putting it out there. Defending LA, it was needed. It was needed. I defended her because I felt in my heart it was the right thing to do. But all that died down. Nobody's talking about what she used to do when it comes to her cleaning, when it comes to her tooth, when it comes to her looks, when it comes to certain things that involving her own life and not the lives of other people, children, whatever. That's what I defended. Now with all these other allegations, these other rumors, these other things they think they have on her, because we don't know, I don't know. So that's why I said what they think they have on her, because I don't know until the truth is revealed. But it's a lot of stuff that's going on. So it's demonic. I'm just a guy. I'm keep it 100. It's demonic. It's weird. It's strange. And if Twilight Zone was people, it'd be these YouTube channels with the back and forth and with the craziness going on. And the reason now that I see why it's so crazy is because demonic spirits. That's why it was so weird and we couldn't wonder what was going on. It was demonic spirits. Confusion is of the devil. All this stuff was so confusing. Then you see people going back and forth with people they never met. Entangled. A web. So sometimes it is okay to back off. Me, I'm good with saying I'm not choosing a side. I'm just giving content on videos. I'm good with that. Because I don't know what I'm getting myself entangled to, who I'm getting myself entangled with, involved with, emotional with. So with that being said, like I said before, I'm on God's side. My moderators is God. I don't mind comments that I'm not pleased with. I'm good with that, because at the end of the day, people may see those negative comments, but they know who I am. So I don't have nothing to hide. I let people say what they say. I don't block people. People going to say what they say, because at the end of the day, people going to know who I am. People going to see my heart, and they're going to know that those comments don't match who I am. When it comes to those negative comments, they're going to be like, that's not Kathy. That's not Brown 10. And they're going to be like, I've seen all her videos. None of her videos she called nobody names. So, I don't need no media moderators to scope out my videos. Hold on. Yes, I'm very good with what I'm doing. I'm very good giving my honest opinion on videos. And it's going to be even better now because I'm doing this solo. I love all other channels. I really do love the people, but some of their actions is what I'm in disagreement with. That's it. You know, I can't change people. People can't change me. People probably see that I have some flaws, and that's fine. That's fine. People going to see that. But when it comes to Lady saying the things she's saying, I can't discredit her. And the things that LA say, I can't discredit her because I don't know. All I know is it's strange, it's weird. And I understand when people say kids do certain things, but when it comes to clothes being taken off, that's going a little too far. That's going a little too far when clothes are removed and deeds are being done. That's when it crossed the line. And when in my videos, when I always say something about prayer, pray for those who dealing with something. I'm telling you guys, it's not a mistake when I say that in my videos. It's not a mistake when I say pray for people mental. Pray for people mental. The physical stuff they're going through. To be in a mind that's confused, demonic stuff happening there, that can be scary. We have to watch what goes on around us. I cannot, as a child of God, sit back and not say nothing because, ooh, it's this person. Keep the hush mouth because it's this person. When you don't hate anyone, you can give constructive criticism without name calling. My spirit is good with that. I'm not bashing no one. I'm speaking on a matter that need to be spoken. Like I say, until some things be brought out, brung out about certain people, I've got to sit back, look, and listen and discern what my spirit connect and don't connect with. People just sit back and look at this, and I hear a lot of people, and it is entertaining. But some people literally just sit back as though it's just entertaining. Oh, it's just something to do. Oh, it's just something to watch. No, you have to be mindful of the things that you allow to get in your spirit. By me knowing who I am and whose I am, I got this. I'm not being influenced by a person, a name, a person that's popular. I'm not influenced by that. I'm not influenced by numbers. I'm not influenced by money. I'm not influenced by the tangible things that people have. I'm influenced by the spirits, the Spirit of God. There's many spirits Jealousy is a spirit. Pride is a spirit. Envious is a spirit. Love is a spirit. Hate is a spirit. Things that people do with each other is a spirit. Certain addictions is a spirit. So people have to get those spirits removed from them in order to change. And you can do that change by knowing who you are and whose you are and getting closer to your Creator. He will change your mind. But when you continue to do things that's not of God, you're going to be immune. You're going to have no feelings about certain things. Your heart going to be hardened. Once you develop a hardened heart, you care about nothing and no one. When you allow your heart to become hardened, nothing can pierce through that. Your reaction to things would be like, oh, okay, whatever. Because you have hardened your heart. Things that a normal person would shed a tear for, a person with a hard heart would look at us like, why they crying? Some people become emotionless. Some people become emotionless, because they allow their heart to harden. And they allow their heart to harden with things they should not allow their heart to be hardened about. When it comes to love, your heart should not be hardened towards that. When it comes to showing love, receiving love, you shouldn't harden your heart. I hear a lot of women say when they're in a relationship and they go bad all the time with all the men they deal with, man, I'm done with men. And I hear a man who had enough of a certain color woman, oh, I ain't dealing with those kind of women no more. They harden their heart. When you become that person who wants to eventually start limiting certain things and people, pray about it first. Pray about it first. Don't call no one out. I'm done with this person. I'm done with that thing. I'm done with this type of job. I'm done at eating at this restaurant. Sit back and evaluate yourself. Evaluate yourself. Find out what and who's the common denominator. Find out this going on, that's going on, this going on. Who's involved? Everything that's going on in my life, I evaluate it. Is something going on at my workplace, around my family? If I'm driving a car, if I'm at a restaurant, and something happened, I'm like, well, Kathy, maybe if you did this a little better, or maybe if you listen a little better, maybe it's you. Some people need to take accountability for their actions, their reaction, cause and effect. People, at the end of the day, when it comes to choosing sides, whose side are you on? Why are you on that person's side? What do you know about a certain person and people who you never met? I'm coming back after I do a couple of hours at work today. It may be tonight when I upload the next video, but I'm going to do some more content on what's going on. I'm going to do some more content because that video with Lady saying what had happened, I got to look at all the videos to get content on this. It's a lot that I have to say, but I'm not going to say what I need to say until I get all the facts. So with that being said, everybody, Kathy, aka Brown 10, I love you all. If you're looking at this video right now, subscribe if your heart feel the desire to. Definitely share, like, and definitely leave a comment. I love you all. And with that being said, peace.